Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and today I want to be your speaking partner. So in this video, I will read two English dialogues with you. Why are English dialogues useful? Number one, you can practice English in a real world context. So today we will look at two contexts. Both of them are related. Today, you will make an appointment with a clinic, and you will also make a follow-up appointment with a dentist. So the first dialogue is over the phone. The second dialogue is in person at the reception desk. Dialogues are great ways for you to practice your intonation and also to see English in action. So you will see some new vocabulary, some common phrases, and you get to practice with me. So you get to practice your English conversation skills today. All right, so the first scenario, we are making an appointment at the reception desk. I have the dialogue here on my phone, so I will be reading from my phone and you will be reading from the board. Now, we will practice this dialogue 3 times. The first time, I will read everything. The second time, I will be the receptionist. You will be the caller. And the third time, you will be the receptionist and I will be the caller. All right, so first, just follow along as I read. Hello, Central Clinic. Sam speaking. How may I help you? Hi, I'm calling to make an appointment. Okay. Do you have a file with us? No, I don't. Not a problem. Can I have your name, please? It's Jamie Miles. Jamie Miles. Got it. And why do you need an appointment? I've been coughing a lot and my chest feels really congested. I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check my calendar. Are you available tomorrow afternoon? The morning would be better. Do you have a space at 9 or 10? I could fit you in at 9:30. That works. Okay, I've booked you for 9:30. Just bring your medical card when you come. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so that was the first dialogue. Now I want you to practice this dialogue with me. So I will be the receptionist, R, and you will be the caller, C. Are you ready? Here we go. I will give you some space so that you can speak, okay, between each line. Here we go. Hello, Central Clinic. Sam speaking. How may I help you? Okay. Do you have a file with us? Not a problem. Can I have your name, please? Jamie Miles. Got it. And why do you need an appointment? Uh, I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check my calendar. Are you available tomorrow afternoon? I could fit you in at 9:30. Okay, I've booked you for 9:30. Just bring your medical card when you come. Have a nice day. Bye. Well done. And you see some phrases, that works. That means, yeah, that's good. That's a good time. That works for me. I could fit you in, right? I have space. I can put you in this space in the calendar, for example. Okay, let's do it one more time. This time you are the receptionist and I am the caller. So I'm going to count you down from 3. And when I say 1, you start reading. All right, start practicing. So 3, 2, 1. Hi, I'm calling to make an appointment. No, I don't. It's Jamie Miles. I've been coughing a lot and my chest feels really congested. The morning would be better. Do you have a space at 9 or 10? That works. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye. Good. I hope that felt good for you. Now, let's go to the dentist's office. Come with me. Okay, so here we are at the dentist's office. In this scenario, you have just finished having a cleaning at the dentist's office, and you need to make a follow-up appointment for a filling. A filling means you have a hole in your tooth. A hole in your tooth is called a cavity, and you need to come back to get it filled. So that's why it's called a filling, because you fill the cavity or fill the hole. So just as before, first I will read the full scenario for you. We have R for the receptionist, and we have P for the patient in this case. So imagine you stepped out of the dentist's office, the receptionist sees you, and the receptionist says, "How did everything go?" "Okay, thanks, but I need to make a follow-up appointment for a filling." "No problem. Would you prefer a morning or afternoon appointment?" Late afternoons are better for me." "Okay, let me see here. Hmm, I have a space next Wednesday at 4 p.m. Would that work for you?" "I usually work late that day. Do you have anything on Thursday or Friday?" Yes, I have Friday at the same time." "That's perfect. Thank you." "Okay, I've booked you for next Friday at 4 p.m. "Thank you. And how much is it for today?" "It's 220.25. "Okay, I'll pay by card." "Perfect. Here you go." So here you go. She is passing you, or he is passing you, the payment terminal. So you can use your card. That's it. Okay, now it's my turn to be the receptionist, and you will be the patient. So you just finished your appointment with the dentist, and I see you, and I say, I just want to make sure I walk over at the right time. Yes, I have Friday at the same time. Okay, perfect. So I see you, and I say, "How did everything go?" "No problem. Would you prefer a morning or afternoon appointment?" Okay, let me see here. I have a space next Wednesday at 4 p.m. Would that work for you? Yes, I have Friday at the same time. Okay, I've booked you for next Friday at 4 p.m. It's 220.25. Perfect. Here you go. Okay, good work. And now let's practice this dialogue one more time. This time you are the receptionist and I am the patient. All right, so I walk out of the office and you say in three, two, one, "Okay, thanks, but I need to make a follow-up appointment for a filling." late afternoons are better for me. I usually work late that day. Do you have anything on Thursday or Friday? That's perfect. Thank you. Thank you. And how much is it for today? Okay, I'll pay by card. Great job. So when you give someone something like this, you can say, "Here you go." You can also say, "There you go." It just depends on your mental distance from the thing you are giving. So here, right here, or there, both are the same, though. You can say, "Here you go," or "There you go." Either one works. Okay, everyone. So this was a new video concept for me. I hope you enjoyed the conversation. I hope you enjoyed having me as your speaking partner. I know that learning English by yourself is a challenge, especially if you have no one else to speak with you. So my idea with a video like this is to interact with you more so that you can feel like you are having a real English conversation in a real context that is common for people. We make appointments with dentists, with doctors all the time. So, I mean, hopefully not all the time, but often enough that it's a real situation. So if you would like to test your understanding of some of the material that we did in this video, you can also check out the quiz on engvid.com, and you can check if you remember all of the phrases, all of the sentences that you practiced today. So thank you very much for speaking with me today. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.